Hello dear student, welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. So our today topic is what is the purpose of screening process in the water treatment plant. So you know that guys, this process is very essential in WTP. The reason is because such type of process is to be useful to remove the floating material. But what is floating material and what are the other parameter which we have to consider while using the screen in our water treatment plant, that we will discuss today in this particular session, right? So kindly subscribe our channel guys for such type of video on a regular basis, right? So let's understand what is basically screen and how we can do it, or how we can process the screening process in our water treatment plant, and what are the various reasons by which we have to install it into the WTP. So as you can see here guys, this is basically a screen by which we are able to remove the floating material. Now the question is, sir, what is floating material? You know that guys, in our water, which is nothing as our source, that particular water is basically our source from the river usually. So in that particular water, what we may find like floating material, like inorganic matter, like organic matter, some microorganism. So these are the things which can be present in our water usually. Now there is one part which is known as floating matter, and what is basically floating matter? Whose specific gravity is less than 1, right? A particular type of material which have specific gravity less than 1. That means it is known as floating material. And if it is floating material, then definitely we can say that guys, this type of material will float on the surface of water basically. Now we need to remove it. The reason is because such type of material is not to be treated in the water treatment plant. That is the first point. Second point is, such type of material can be harmful for the microorganism which can degrade the organic matter, right? Like we know that some aerobic microorganism and anaerobic microorganism is also present in our water. So these type of bacteria are trying to decompose the biodegradable fraction of organic matter. If such type of floating matter like polythene and some plastics, right? So such type of matter is present in our water, then definitely it may be harmful for microorganism. So that is the second reason due to which we have to remove the floating material from the raw water. Now the third and the main thing is, we need to secure our pumps, valves and pipelines, right? Why? Because we know that if we allow such type of floating material into the water treatment plant process, then ultimately it may pass through the pumps, valves and pipeline also, which may be get damaged while doing the treatment process. And that's why you have to remove the floating material from the water in our water treatment plant. I hope all of you are able to understand this particular concept which we have discussed today, right? So thank you so much guys, and please subscribe our channel, and you may find such type of video in our further upcoming session also. Thank you so much.